Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's Flagler Weather Info video brief. Just a reminder that the data we use comes from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, it was a good day across the county for the most part weather-wise. We had some fog in the morning, and mainly if you were west of the beaches, you saw some fog this morning. Coastal locations didn't really see much. Some of the fog was particularly dense in the western portions of Flagler County this morning, but all of that burned off by 9 or 10 o'clock and revealing sunny skies till about the middle part of the day before clouds begin to move in, keeping our temperatures from only reaching the lower 70s. Now, looking at the details in our forecast, a high-pressure system over the Carolinas will begin to build in as a frontal system washes out over the region. A coastal trough, that is a little area of low pressure that is sitting off the east coast of Florida, is right off the immediate beaches. That coastal trough is expected to slowly retreat to the north through Monday. That'll allow the winds coming out of the northeast to shift more to the east and in southeast. That'll begin a warming trend for the start of the work week. Taking a look at our forecast details now for Flagler County for tonight, mostly cloudy skies and a few passing showers as a result of that disturbance offshore. Those passing showers will be off and on right through the evening hours. Any of those encountered will be very brief, but also may produce a moderate downpour, but they won't last long. Showers should begin to taper off after midnight tonight, revealing partly cloudy skies and maybe some fog inland late night tonight. Winds northeast to east at 10 to 15 miles an hour, breezy at times, especially near some of those showers. Winds will be shifting off more to the southeast towards sunrise and decreasing to near calm. Low right near 55 degrees. It'll be a little warmer at beaches and coastal locations. It'll be cooler inland out towards Daytona North. Looking at Monday, expect maybe some fog to start the day, especially if you're west of I-95. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies. Outside chance of a sprinkle in the morning. Winds will be out of the east to southeast, increasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour by the afternoon. With those southeast winds, temperatures will shoot right up, getting into the 70s for most of us. Inland locations flirting with that 80-degree mark. Beaches, expect a high there between 70 and 75. Now, looking at Monday night, expect partly cloudy skies to fair skies. Chance of some fog developing late. Winds out of the south at less than 5 miles an hour. Low right near 60 degrees. Looking at the rest of the week, Tuesday, warmer. Highs near 80 degrees under partly cloudy skies for most of us, except the beaches where it will be cooler. Lows near 60 degrees or so on Tuesday night, with chance of some fog. And then Wednesday, increasing clouds with a round of showers and thunderstorms expected either late Wednesday afternoon or overnight Wednesday. We just don't know exactly what time they're going to get here, but they're coming. Highs generally getting into the 70s, near 80 degrees before the rain comes through. Lows Wednesday night, some point looks like mid to lower 50s on Wednesday night. And then Thursday, some leftover showers possible, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s, lows in the 40s. Friday and Saturday, partly cloudy to fair. Highs only getting into the lower 60s, lows in the lower 40s, upper 30s on both nights. Looking at the beaches now, surf running 2 to 3 feet, a few bigger waves, a little choppy out there at times, especially in the afternoon. Surf temperature, 60 degrees. Now let's take a look at the tides along our beaches. These tide numbers are for Flagler Beach. Expect a high tide tonight at 8:30 in Flagler Beach, a low tide at 2:20 in the morning, and then a high tide at 8:42 in the morning in Flagler Beach, and then a low tide at 2:51 p.m., and one more high tide on Monday, 9:04 p.m. Monday night. Now looking at the intercoastal tides, and now these tide times might vary depending where you are along the intercoastal waterway. Expect a low tide generally near 8 o'clock tonight, and then a high tide generally near 1:40 a.m. or so, between there and 2 a.m. on Monday morning, and then Monday morning a low tide around 8 a.m. in the intercoastal waterway, and then another high tide right near 2 p.m. or so, and then one more low tide at 8:22 Monday evening in the intercoastal waterway. So folks, to sum it up, expect a warming trend under partly cloudy skies, dodging a few showers tonight, and then rain on Wednesday evening, and then a cool down at the end of the week. So be sure to watch our videos, share our videos with your friends, tell your friends about us, help spread the word, and be sure to check our Facebook page for updates. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.